Hey everyone, my name is Evelyn the Cosplay from Dutch Cosplay Couple, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can use Minque's modeling plastic to make Sabretooth claws. On the left side of the screen you can see a heat gun. I used this heat gun to heat up the modeling plastic so I could start sculpting with it. When modeling plastic gets hot it will turn translucent, and that's when you know it will be ready to sculpt with. In the right corner of the screen you will see a bowl of water. This is cold water, and I use this water to dip my fingers in so that the modeling plastic doesn't stick to my fingers. And I also use this bowl of cold water to cool down my project. As you can see, I used this ring to prevent the material from flying away, but this didn't really work because the material itself got stuck to the ring. So I would recommend using something made from silicone, like a shape for baking cupcakes for instance, and put the material in there so that it won't fly away when you use a heat gun. And for your workspace I would also recommend to use a silicone mat to work on, because this will prevent the material from sticking down to the surface. After I was done sculpting all the nails and they were completely hardened, it was ready to paint them. For this I first sprayed them with white primer and then I could continue with acrylic paints. I used ochre and brown, and I used this ochre color on almost the entire nail and the brown parts only on the beginning of the nail where the nail comes out of the skin. I watered down the color and then started brushing it onto the nails. I tried blending the colors as best as I could, and watering it down helps with the blending. I also used a paper towel to blend in the colors. I made sure that the beginning of the nails, so where the nail comes out of the skin, was the most darker part, so the most yellow, and after that I also went in with the brown to accentuate that part even further. And after everything was done and dry, they looked like this. I used some special effects makeup to put them on the nails of a friend of mine, and this is his Sabretooth cosplay, and I think he looks super dope. And that was it for now. If you have any questions, let us know. But for now, thank you for watching and see you in our next video.